Hi, I'm Negin Hashemi and I'm really happy to apply for the Master in International Business and Management at Hansa University. What really motivates me is the idea of working in an international environment, place where people from different countries came together to solve business challenges. I've always been curious about how global companies make decisions, manage teams across cultures, and adapt to different markets. I want to be part of that world and help businesses grow in a small and responsible way. I studied economics in my bachelor's degree, which gave me a good foundation, things like data, market, and how organizations make decisions. But I realized I want to go beyond just the numbers. I want to understand the people side, the cultural side, and how to manage business in a global world. And that's what really I like about this program is it's international, it's practical, and it focuses on real world skills. I'm really interested in working on actual business project, learning from classmates with different backgrounds, and developing the mindset I'll need for this career. I've also worked and studied with people with different backgrounds, and I think it's made me more open-minded and cultural aware. I know how important it is to listen, to understand different perspectives, and to communicate well across cultures, especially in an international business. I think I can bring a lot of things with me, things like my curiosity, my academic background, and my experience in a multicultural environment. I'm a team player, I like solving problems, and I'm always eager to learn more and improve. Thanks for watching, and I hope to be part of that program soon.